Good morning! So today, we're going to... What are we going to do, Ate Rami?
Make a craft.
Make a plant? Oh, how to make a plant? First, we need to get the...
Soil.
and transfer it to the...
Tray.
This is what we call the seedling tray because these are seeds. And if it's germinated, we call it as seedlings. Now, this is already germinated because this is a seed which has, what do you call this one? It is, we call this roots, right? That's the root. So, we're going to transfer it here because they grow on the soil. Oh, can you help me to get the soil and transfer it to the seedling tray? Wow. It's like that, Ate Rami. It's like playing. Oh, come on. You spread it out like that. And make sure to evenly put soil. Oh, wow. Are you happy? What are you planting? Are you planting vegetables? It's good for our body. Is it good for our body? Oh, wow. Ate Rami is eating vegetable. Is that a rock? No, it's not a rock. It's cocoa fiber. It's part of the coconut. It's good for the soil also, for the plant. After, wait, I'm going to get, you press it down first. Help me. You hold the seeds at the black part and then you put it like this. Oh yeah, we have to make sure to put the roots there. It's like that. You want to poke this one? Or you want to do this or that one? But that doesn't have roots. Yeah, and then you put the roots there. Slowly, don't break the roots. Okay. It's like you hold here. Don't hold the root because it will be dead. It will die. And then like that. Turn like that. And it's okay. It doesn't. We're going to put another soil in it. Okay? Oh, come on. Try. Oops, at the black part. Oh, see? It's died. Because it won't get any water, so make sure you don't touch the roots. Because this will not grow. Okay? Another one. Come on. Is it tricky? Come on, you put it there. The hole. Oops, slowly. Oh, come on. Make sure at the hole. Okay. Very good that you're having another one. That makes life of the plant because they grow on the soil. Yeah, we're going to wash our hands so that we'll be clean again. Good job.
This is okra.
And the black part is the seed and the white part is the root. It's germinated root. Oh, good job, Ate Rami. Good job. Good job. Happy? Ate Rami, you put the corn here. This one. Make sure to line it up. So first this one. This one first. You put it like this. This will become or will go upside. No. You make it like that. This. Ate Rami, because the roots will come out there. Oh, not that one first. This one first. Because they are same variety. Other side. Other side. You make sure this part, will go here. Like that. So yeah, that's good.
Just really nice.
Is it really nice planting? That's good. You enjoyed planting at a very young age. Now, going to put some more there.
And then,
Are we done?
but there's still here.
Yeah, because we're going to plant another there. Oh, come on. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah. We're gonna wash our hands.